In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add captions like you're seeing right here on the screen using a tool called Submagic. This used to take me hours and hours to do by hand, but now with this tool Submagic, you can do it in just one click. Let's get right into it. That is pretty amazing. Just in 30 seconds, it added all of these captions and it stylized. We even had some emojis, even a couple sound effects added to our video. And this literally would have taken me probably at least 45 minutes to an hour to do by myself, to get the animations of the captions, the different colors, the emojis in a traditional video editing platform. But with Submagic, we're literally able to do that in just a few seconds. And typically with AI video editing platforms or auto caption, auto transcription services or apps, there might be a few words that are not correct, but in this video, they were actually very accurate. I don't think that there was anything that needed to be corrected. Everything that I said in the video was correct when it came to the caption. So that's very impressive because usually it gets it maybe 90 to 95% right. But this one, I would say everything is 100% accurate. But just to show you how easy it is to edit the captions, all you have to do is simply click inside the little box here and edit what it says. So if I needed to change it to something else, and it's very simple to edit the text. To customize this even further, we have a lot of options here. On any of the lines of text, we can add an emoji. So all you have to do is hit this plus button, and this will open up a window allowing you to search and select for different emojis. So in this line of text, it says in this video. So then I'm just going to type in video, and we've got this little video camera here. I'm just going to add that to the text. And so we're good to go there. Now, we talked about all of the different styles that you've probably seen on social media. And inside of Submagic, they have already kind of created some presets of some of the top creator styles when it comes to captions. And the one that it automatically selected is the Alex or Mosey style captions. It's almost a guarantee that you've seen this on social media. But we also have one from Iman Ghazi, as well as Ali Abdaal, and a few others, Mr. Beast. And so these styles can be easily added to your videos because Submagic already has them preset, loaded up in here for you to just select and customize to your liking. And you can even customize even further inside of these different styles. And if you're on one of the paid plans, you can upload your own font, select the weight, increase the size. You can select whether it's all caps or not. Select whether or not the text gets displayed on 2 lines, 1 line, or even a single word. You can choose whether it has animation or not, auto emojis, and the position up or down on the video. So this is super helpful when really dialing in how the captions look and where they appear on the screen. And if you have certain brand colors, you can also change the highlight colors. I just keep these the same, green, yellow, and red. But if you wanted to change it to something specific, you can do that as well. You can use a hex code or choose one of these blocks of colors up here. The next feature is really cool, and this is relatively new. It's called automatic B-roll, and it uses AI to generate different transitions, zooms, and B-roll clips along with the original video that you uploaded. So let's see what the Magic B-roll does. I'm just going to hit the button, Magic B-rolls, and see what it does. Okay, in just a few seconds, we've got a couple things that it added, I believe. So let's give it a play. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add captions like you're seeing right here on the screen using a tool called Submagic. This used to take me hours and hours to do by hand, but now with this tool Submagic, you can do it in just one click. Let's get right into it. All right, so we got a little B-roll clip right here. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure what this is, so I'm just going to change it to original. But we can add what's called a zoom animation to this section here. But We can also add our own custom B-roll if we want to as well. So if we want to add our own custom B-roll, all we have to do is hit the plus button. Then we can click add and we can search, and it already displayed maybe what we're searching for, so hours. So let's select this one here and hit apply. Let's play this. I'm going to show you exactly how to add captions like you're seeing right here on the screen using a tool called Submagic. This used to take me hours and hours to do by hand, but now with this tool Submagic, you can do it in just one click. Let's get right into it. Now that adds a lot more interest and engaging elements just by adding that B-roll clip. That way you're not just looking at me talk for the entire video. But to do that automatically is pretty crazy. Again, this is something that you can do quote unquote by hand, but since it's all integrated here inside of Submagic, it just makes it so much easier and so much more efficient. Now, the last feature that I want to cover is what's called the description and hashtags generated by AI. So once you have your video, of course, you're going to post it on social media. And what Submagic will do is generate a short description along with some hashtags based upon the transcription of your video, based upon what your video is about. And so this is what the Submagic AI generated. It says, learn how to add captions effortlessly with Submagic. Say goodbye to manual work and save hours of your time. Watch now. With a few hashtags, TikTok tips, Submagic, captions made easy. So that's pretty simple, not bad at all, considering if I just had no idea what I wanted to put as a description, then I could definitely use this and build upon this. And it did it automatically in just a few seconds. So once we've edited our video, it's good to go. All we have to do is hit the export button and it will save directly to the downloads folder. Now let's talk pricing. You can get started with Submagic on their basic plan at $20 per month, billed monthly. This gives you 20 videos to work with every single month. You do have some limitations with the size of the video and the length as well. If you upgrade to the pro version of Submagic, which is the version that I have at $50 a month, you get 70 videos to work with. You get a larger maximum size, as well as how long you can actually edit these videos. You get those custom templates, and you can invite 2 people to collaborate on the same account, and you have the option to upload your own fonts. So really, when it comes to the best value, I think this pro version is perfect for people who are creating consistent content. Again, because if you wanted to do a lot of the things that Submagic can do, if you wanted to do it manually or on your own or using your traditional editor, it's going to take a long time. So then you really just have to measure what your time is worth. If your time is worth more than $50 per month, then it probably makes sense to use something like Submagic. And if you're someone who's creating content either for yourself or for another person or multiple videos per month, then you might look at the pro plan. And if you're just cranking out content, then maybe something like the agency plan would be a better fit because you get up to 300 videos per month, lots of custom templates, longer video length, and so on. As you can see, Submagic has a lot of great features. It's perfect for an in-house video editor, a solo content creator, or even if you're creating content for an agency. A lot of the features are all built in one, and it's going to save you a lot of time. It certainly has for me. And if you're looking for how to create more content, other tools that can help you to create more content, make sure you check out this series of videos here where I break down all the ways that you can increase the amount of content that you're creating and to make better content. Thanks so much for watching this video. Until next time, I will see you later.